Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go to watch the video.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I need some help finding a suit.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. What kind of suit are you looking for?
I'm looking for something nice for my husband. He's very busy and he couldn't come today, so I'm shopping for him.
I understand. I can help you find something perfect for him. What size does he wear?
I think he wears medium size, but I'm not completely sure.
No problem, we can check it. I have a few medium suits here. Let's start with those.
That sounds good. What colors do you have?
We have a few options. We have black, gray, and blue suits. Which one do you think he might like?
I know he likes blue and gray. I think he would prefer either of those.
Great. Let me show you the blue one first. This one is very stylish and perfect for many occasions.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It's $150. It's a great deal for the quality.
That's a little expensive. Do you have anything more affordable?
Yes, I have this gray one. It's $100 and still a very good quality.
I like this one. It's a good price and it looks perfect for him.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to add a tie to go with it?
Yes, please. Does it come with a tie?
Yes, it comes with a matching tie. It will look great together.
Wonderful. How long will it take to pack it?
It will take just a few minutes. I'll have it ready in no time.
Thank you. I'm sure my husband will be very happy with this.
I'm sure he will love it. Thank you for shopping with us today.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.